Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today we're going to be making a spring floral arrangement on this candlestick holder. So you're going to need a candlestick holder, and mine came from Ross. You're going to need some foam, and you're going to need some spring floral picks, and mine came from Walmart. They are Mainstays brand. I bought 3 of the first pick, 3 of this pick, and then I had some light pink flowers that I used 2 of. So you're going to want to choose a variety of sizes, shapes, colors, and textures, and of course a cute bunny to go on top if you're making this for Easter. I picked up my bunny for $9.99 at Marshall's. So you'll want to make sure it fits okay on top of your candlestick holder. So first you're going to take your foam and cut it to fit the top of your candlestick holder. I'm using Gorilla Glue hot glue to hot glue the foam on. Just be very careful when you use your hot glue, and you might want to add a little E6000 on it too. Let the glue have time to dry, and then I'm taking my Walmart spring floral picks and cutting them all into shorter pieces. And you might want to cover the foam with moss first before you get started if you're afraid the foam might show. I believe these picks were only 97 cents. They may have been $1.24 at Walmart, but I picked up 3 of these, 3 of the other ones, and then I had 2 of the petite pink flowers that you'll see in just a minute. But this is very easy to make and budget friendly too. So here's the pink flowers, and I've already cut them into shorter pieces. So usually I do a pattern with my flowers. What I put on the left, I put on the right. But this time I wanted to have more height in the back since I was putting a bunny. So I did like the taller picks in the back, and then around the front I did the petite pink flowers and some of the petite, like smaller pink flowers. I don't know how you say the type of flower they are, but I wanted the taller stuff in the back, then the shorter, smaller stuff in the front. That way you could see the bunny. And here I'm just cutting these floral picks into shorter pieces, and these pretty flowers are going to go around the front. I do not like to glue my bunny on until the very end, but when you get it just like you want, then you're going to want to put some E6000 and some Gorilla Glue hot glue on the bottom of your bunny and place it on your foam and let it dry overnight. And just make sure it has time to dry before you move it. I have shared several different shop with me videos for Easter. I just shared a Marshall's one, and they have some pretty ducks that would be pretty in the center of this. Lots of cute Easter bunnies, chocolate Easter bunnies. Let's see, there's ducks, there's bunnies, there's eggs. There's all kinds of cute things that you can put in the center of your floral arrangement. This is the third floral arrangement that I have made for Easter and spring, so I will link the other two in the description box so you can check those out too. And here I'm just playing around, making sure I have everything in place just like I want before I glue my bunny onto my centerpiece. I think this little bunny is just precious, holding an umbrella. It's just something a little different, and I think it turned out so cute with these pretty flowers from Walmart. So very easy and inexpensive to make. Just remember, choose a variety of colors, shapes, and textures of flowers when you're choosing your flowers. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. I share lots of budget-friendly DIYs, shop with me videos, shopping hauls, and decorating videos. Thanks guys so much for watching. Happy Easter.